Look what I just received from Greenco. This is a faux leather Ottoman, and it also has tufting right here as well as nail heads, and it is so nice. Now, this is collapsible. This is what the size is when not in use, and it is so easy to unfold. This is perfect to use as an extra seat because it can hold up to 250 pounds. And look how easy it is to open up. So all you do is open it up just like this, and then you put this bottom area right here made of cardboard, and there's a lip right here, so easy for you to take off when not in use. So you just slip that in just like that, and then you put this right on top. Perfect. And this will hold 250 pounds. This is also great to put your extra toys, your gaming gear, as well as magazines or clothing too. And this is perfect to use as an extra seat, as a footrest, or as storage as well. This will hold 250 pounds as a seat. And look how nice this is. It also has these handles here on both sides. And this is great to put in your family room, your living room, your den, also in a bedroom as well. So because of the black faux leather, it just goes with so much decor. And look how easy it is to undo when not in use. So all we're going to do is reverse the steps. We're going to pull this lip right here, just like this. And then it just folds away just like that. And you put that there, and you put this on top. And there you go. Simple as that. What a great storage solution. This also measures approximately 14 inches by 14 inches by 14 inches. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. And look how nice this is. And it's also very easy to clean because it is faux leather, and it also stores lots of great things. And it's also very easy for you to remove. You just open this up and then it collapses. Doesn't take a lot of room at all. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.